Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dreamboat Sneha. Today I'm going to show you how you can achieve an easy makeup look and that too in no time. So if you can believe, I have done this whole makeup in just 20 to 25 minutes. So keep watching this video. So let's do it. As of now the time is 1:55, if you can see it, like approximately. So I'll get ready as soon as possible and I'll use minimum of products so as to make a minimal look makeup and my go-to makeup. So yeah, so first I'm taking the CC cream. This is from Lakme and I'll just take some of it. Okay, as it is a CC cream, I don't need to apply a primer. And now I'm taking my foundation brush and I'll apply it in dots. So that it will be easy for me to blend. Also my neck. Oh, I'll need mirror. So yeah. Yeah, now it's time to blend it all. I'm filming this in natural light and it's afternoon, so you can imagine how I'll be looking. That's why I'm looking yellow. But let's film this. So blending it with my brush. First I blend with my brush and then I use my fingers to glide all the makeup properly. Here I mean foundation. The leftover on my brush I'll just apply on the top of my eyelid so that it doesn't look black than my entire face. Yeah, I'm almost done with the brush. And final finish I'll do with my fingers. These days I'm not using beauty blender, but I love to blend with it. It's easy to blend with a beauty blender and place the product inside of the skin. I'm gently tapping my fingers so that the foundation gets mixed. Like here it's not a foundation, I'm saying it again, foundation, it's a BB cream. So yeah, most of the time I use BB cream for my day-to-day look because I like the formula of BB cream and it's light. I don't love to put foundation every day. Yeah, so my BB cream is done and it is blended quite properly. I cannot see any extra whiteness. And yeah, so as it is an easy look, I'll move ahead with my lip shade first. I'm wearing a red top, so I'll go with red shade. So first I'm applying red lip liner. This is from Faces brand. So yes, I'm finished with my lip liner. Now it's time for a lip paint. So this lip paint is from L'Oreal Paris. Oh god, it's from L'Oreal Paris, and this is shade 203 Tangerine Vertigo. I love this shade and I love lip paint. Take off the extra product, and now it's not that much. And I have double chin, so if it's visible, oh god, I'm so gone, but it's okay. So just to give an extra layer, I have applied lip liner. Most of the times what I do is I just apply my lip paint and I'm ready to go. Lip paint gives me that natural red tint, so I love that. But today I'm going to a mall for shopping, and I want this lip paint to remain on my lips for a longer time, and I might be eating food, so I need an extra layer. So that's why I've applied lip liner before applying this lip paint. And it's pretty much done. Now it's time for my eyebrows. I have scanty eyebrows, so I need to fill my eyebrows so that it looks good. I'm taking my L'Oreal Paris eyebrow kit, broke it, and this is my eyebrow brush. So yeah, I'm in hurry, so I won't be applying the wax. I have already made a tutorial on it, and you can watch how I apply my eyeshadow. As of now, I'll just be taking powder because I have to rush. And yeah, I'm sorry it's not really visible to you, but you can watch the tutorial, and I'll just skip it and do it fastly. I'm keeping my eyebrows natural only, just filling the gaps and giving the proper shape to my brows. It's pretty much done. Not filling a lot so that it don't look like I've made my eyebrows, but actually I have. So this, I'm shooting an iPhone 7 Plus. And I love you so much, guys, that you are watching this video. You give time to my videos, and that's something I'm very grateful. So I'm almost done, like my eyebrows done, my lip shade is done. What I'll do, I'll just apply mascara. I'll just apply my mascara, and then I'm done. Oh yeah, I won't skip my eyeliner, girls. Yeah. Even if I didn't mention it, but yes, I'll apply my mascara, eyeliner. So girls, I'm almost done with my eyebrows. My eyebrows are not done, so I've not gone to parlor since a long time, So yeah, I do have some extra hairs coming out here and there, so that's why I cannot make a perfect eyebrow as of now, but it's, yeah, pretty much done. And you know, eyebrows are sisters and not twins, so they are not very alike. So it's done. Now it's time for my eyeliner. I'm taking this eyeliner from Lakme 9 to 5 liquid liner, and I love this because it has very thin brush here. So I'm just going to apply it. I'm not going with winged eyeliner today because most of the time I apply winged eyeliner only. I will apply this liner quickly on my second eyes. So girls, I'm done with my eyeliner. If you want to apply winged eyeliner, then I have done a tutorial on that also, you can watch it. So now it's time for mascara. I'm taking this mascara from Maybelline Lash Sensational. I love this mascara. I'll quickly apply it. If you can see, instantly it gave a boost to my eyes. This one is looking thicker than this one. You can apply 2 to 3 coats, but I'll be going with 1 coat because I want to keep it minimal and I want to do it fast and minimal because it's like a day-to-day routine on makeup, and you don't have that much of time for day-to-day makeup, but I do quite a lot of makeup when I want to. So yeah, this is almost done. And girls, you believe or not, I don't know, but my legs are shaking, I don't know why. So now it's time for contour. I have this heavy cheeks, like chubby cheeks, so I love to do contouring. So as of now I want to be fast, so I'll just do a powder contouring and I won't be doing cream contour and then powder. This part is not necessary if you don't love doing contour, as I want to make it quick, so I'm going just directly with the powder contour. And I'll be using this Freedom palette. I'll be using the shade, the darkest one from this palette. Yeah, it also has mirror, you know. So I'll just do like, excuse my face. I need to blend it off like really well so that it doesn't look like a line, and it should look really good blended. I'll also apply some here so that my double chin won't look that much. I'll soon be doing a video on contouring, so keep watching my YouTube channel and do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notification instantly when I upload any new video. And girls, please show me some love and do comment that what video you would like to see next. Time for blush. I'll be using this one. It has pink tone and little bit of highlighter. I won't be doing highlighter, so I'm directly going with blusher that has some highlighter in it. And I'll just place it on top of my contour and here in the apples of my cheek, and then I blend my contour and the blush together so that it doesn't look different, but it looks as one together. Yeah, almost done. So girls, yes, I'm done. And what's the time? It's 2:20. Okay, so I took 25 minutes, and yeah, 25 minutes because I was getting my products also here from the seat that is placed next to my seat where I'm sitting. So that's why it took some minutes extra, but else I could do it in 20 minutes. And I think you also be able to do it real quick. So let me know if you like this. Thanks again for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel Dreamboat Sneha. You can also catch me on Instagram with username Dreamboat Sneha. So I guess I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.